Obviously, it's important to make certain that whoever does the job is competent. And I think the fact that we're able to do the whole thing, it's like a one-stop shop. So we're not just installing solar panels. We also have to connect, which is a roofing job, if you like. We're also working at height and all that kind of stuff. We're also having to wire these things up from a DC perspective and an AC perspective. Most electricians don't have experience of using DC. But it's also the whole job that we're doing. So it's all about approaching the DNO and making sure that they're aware of what we're doing and the relevant permissions are given and providing the relevant certificates afterwards. It's all about making sure the relevant certification from MCS, electrical certification, building standards, all that sort of stuff is met. And we deal with solar. We know what we're doing. So we're not a roofer that does a bit of solar or an electrician that does a bit of solar. We're a company that deals with all of those elements, and we've done literally tens of thousands of these installations over the years.